everyone, welcome to my RB kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make a simple breakfast in a one pot. No frying required, just a quick, easy to make breakfast. This is a one pot breakfast in which all ingredients will be put together and cooked at once. Perfect breakfast when you are RBing and camping. So let's get started, guys. Okay, get your pot. And then first thing first is to add some olive oil, like a 1 tablespoon will be alright. And then you can put the onion that you cut into round. So put like 3 or 4, in which you can cover the bottom part of the pot. Okay, guys? By the way, guys, you can use any type of onion, like red, white, or yellow. Whatever you have there available in your RB. Okay, guys? Okay, next step is to drop our egg on the top of the onion. So I'm using only 3 large eggs for this recipe. Alright. So after I drop all my eggs, I'm adding some seasoning, salt and pepper. And then you can also add a pressed chive if you have something like fresh. I'm using a dry chive because it's the only one I had. Okay, guys? So the next step is to add some cheese on the top of the egg. Okay? Okay, the last process is to add bread on the top of the egg. So you can use white, wheat, or any kind of bread you have there. But you have to slice it into small pieces and then put some more of the cheese and then cover your pot. And we're going to cook and heat the pot. Now we're going to cook it in a medium heat, and then we make sure that the cheese melt. And then when the cheese melt, it only means that it's already been cooked. And then you can shut off the heat and let it cool for a little bit, and we're ready to eat soon. There you go, guys. How easy is that to make this simple, delicious, and quick breakfast, especially when you're RBing and camping. I hope you guys can make this kind of breakfast, especially if you're not feeling like frying or anything else of cooking. This is a very easy and simple breakfast. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you to all of you, to all the new subscribers, to all the viewers of the channel. Thank you very, very much. I see you around in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.